The first phrase you're gonna learn is the most important phrase, I would say. It's いただきます. So いただきます means thank you for what I'm about to receive. So this has a lot of meaning included, but originally いただく is a respectful language. Okay, so in Japan, most humble meal begin with a slight bow like this, or you can, as you can see the photo, like you can say いただきます. Then you start reading. So let's practice. So that's the before you eat, please use this phrase いただきます. Let's practice. Repeat after me. いただきます。いただきます。はい。Repeat after me. いただきます。はい。Okay, to help you memorize this phrase, think of this English mnemonic. Eat a duck, I must. If that helps to remember. So this phrase, if you go to restaurants or cafe by yourself alone, maybe you don't need to say that. But if you're eating with Japanese people or someone cooked for you the meal, please use this phrase every time. The next phrase is ごちそうさまでした. So that's the phrase you will use after you finish eating. Thank you for this lovely meal. So for ごちそうさま, it's all about the kanji. Well, I didn't show you kanji here, but the phrase is written as ごちそうさま and when broken part, the two middle kanji ごち both refer to like kanji is like running, meaning is running. But what's the running have to do with eating? So it's a long time ago. People literally had to run to get food, hunting or fishing, and even harvesting. So ごちそうさま was used by guests to express the guest appreciation towards those who had to run, gather harvest, and prepare the food being presented to them. When the two kanji are put together, ごちそう, the meaning changed to from running to feast. So ごちそう meaning is okay, I have a kanji here. So the ごちそう mean is a feast. So this is ごちそう. So this kanji meaning running. As I explained, because of the long time ago, you had to run to get the food. Okay. Let's practice. Repeat after me. ごちそうさまでした。はい。So the meaning is thank you for this lovely meal. Thank you so much for making the necessary effort to prepare such a splendid meal. So because of the word itself, ごちそう means feast. Then sama is a respect of word of you normally use it with people. But ごちそうさまでした is past tense. It was. Let's practice. Repeat after me. ごちそうさまでした。はい。Let's try one more time. A little bit natural speed. ごちそうさまでした。はい。はい。So, this phrase, when to use it after you finished eating, if you are at the dining table. Or you can say, if you go to the restaurant in Japan, you can say, use this phrase when after you paid, or the timing when you are paying the meal, you can say to directly to the staff or register staff or restaurant staff, ごちそうさまでした. I normally say that when I paid, then after I finished paying, I say ごちそうさまでした. Then I will leave the restaurant. ごちそうさまでした. Another situation you can use is if someone, you go out to eat with someone, then the person pay for you the meal or drink. You can say ごちそうさまでした or ごちそうさまです is both are okay. So you can say that in that case, that you will directly say to the person who paid the meal or drink for you. So that indicates the thank you for thank you for offering me a drink, or thank you for paying for me. So that's the meaning. So that depends on the situation, but either way, it's a useful phrase. Okay.